The number one reason she doesn't see you as that guy. Have you ever done everything right, been respectful, listened, paid for the date, only to get hit with the, "Oh, you're such a great friend"? In this video, we're going to break down the 3 reasons this keeps happening. First, we'll uncover the performance trap that makes you invisible as a romantic option. Second, we'll pinpoint the conversations that actually keep you platonic and passive. And third, I'll give you a communication technique that signals romantic interest. Stick around to the end, because the final compliment I'll share creates attraction almost instantly. Section 1, the performance trap. Most men fall into the performance trap, treating dates like job interviews and trying to earn attraction through proper behavior. You show accomplishments, agree with everything, and try to avoid any mistake. But this signals one thing. You want approval more than connection. Attraction isn't a reward for being agreeable. It's an emotional response to authenticity. When you're performing, she's not meeting the real you. She's meeting your polished representative. Kindness isn't the issue. Using kindness as a strategy is. The fear-driven performance keeps you invisible as a romantic option. Section 2, lack of communication skills. Many men focus on speaking about themselves the whole night, hoping that she'll be interested in you more because now she knows your accolades and achievements. The best thing you can do is keep her talking as much as possible by asking open-ended questions, but when you have something to say that's deep, make sure to insert it into the conversation. This will let her know that you're a man who's not only listening to her, but also has a mind of his own. This method is extremely successful as it puts you in the driver's seat to steer the conversation. Remember this, the person who asks the most questions controls the conversation. If you're tired of platonic conversations and want a clear framework to build real emotional connection and attraction, my private coaching program is the next step. I'll guide you through a proven, personalized roadmap. The price is increasing soon, so make sure to click the first link in the description or the pinned comment down below. Section 3, from agreeable to authentic. The solution is authenticity, sharing your real thoughts, preferences, and romantic intent. Stop mirroring everything she says and start expressing your own perspective respectfully. A little playful disagreement creates intrigue. The shift from friendly to romantic communication. Deeper stories, confident eye contact, and more intentional compliments. Instead of saying "you look nice," say "that color looks incredible on you." It's personal and signals interest. Attraction grows when she feels you see her as a woman, not as someone to chat with. Authenticity plus subtle desires create that spark you've been missing. So let's be absolutely clear. The answer is not to stop being a kind, respectful man. The world needs more good men. But being a good man and being a man who is afraid to show his authentic interests are completely 2 different things. The reason she doesn't see you as that guy isn't because you're too nice. It's because you've been performing instead of connecting. You've been hiding your masculine, romantic interest behind a mask of safe, platonic agreeableness. And by doing that, you've hidden the most attractive part of yourself, your genuine, confident desire. If you're ready to stop being put in the friend zone and want a proven system to become the man who women see as a romantic prospect, my private coaching program is for you. This is your chance to get the step-by-step guidance that you need. Click the first link in the description or the pinned comment to join now while the price is at its most affordable point. And if you found this video helpful, you're gonna love this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.